Hello sales aficionados, entrepreneurs, and aspiring sales superstars. Have you ever found yourself lost in a sea of sales jargon, wondering what on earth all this means? Well, you're in luck because in this video we're delving into the world of sales terminology and we'll decode 18 essential sales terms you need to know. Your ultimate sales glossary to help you navigate the sales landscape like a pro. So if you're ready to up your sales game, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Have you ever felt like you needed a secret code book to understand what's going on in the world of sales? You're not alone. But today we're breaking down the barriers with the first step. Let's kick things off with the first eye-opening truth, the power of sales terminology. Did you know that Salesforce found that 84% of B2B sales professionals don't understand essential sales terms? It's like speaking a different language in a foreign land. So, where do we start? Well, think of sales terminology as the basic building blocks that make up the sales universe. These terms are the foundation of your success in the sales world. Term 1, sales funnel. Now, just like HubSpot manages its leads through a sales funnel, you'll need to understand this crucial term. Your sales funnel is like a visual representation of your sales process. Term 2, lead generation. LinkedIn is a master at lead generation. It's the process of attracting and then converting prospects into potential customers. Term 3, qualification. IBM is known for its rigorous qualification process. It's all about determining if a lead or a prospect is a good fit for your product or service. Term 4, closing. Now, just like Amazon closes sales every day, this is the point where a prospect becomes a customer. The deal is sealed. Term 5, upselling. Apple is a pro at upselling its products. It's about convincing a customer to upgrade or purchase additional items, increasing the overall sale. Term 6, cross-selling. McDonald's excels at cross-selling, offering fries with their burgers. It's about selling related or complementary products to a customer. Term 7, value proposition. Tesla is known for its strong value proposition. It's the unique value and benefits your product or service offers to your customers. Term 8, objection handling. Zoho CRM is skilled at handling objections. It's the process of addressing and resolving customer concerns to close the sale. So now that you've got a taste of the basics, let's dive deeper into the sales terminology ocean. Term 9, pipeline. Now, just like Salesforce manages its deals in a pipeline, this is the visual representation of your sales process, including all your opportunities and your deals. Term 10, cold calling. Zendesk utilizes cold calling. It's the process of reaching out to potential customers who haven't expressed an interest in your product or service. Term 11, warm lead. HubSpot warms up leads through inbound marketing. It's a prospect who has shown some interest in your product or service. Term 12, sales cycle. Oracle understands the sales cycle well. It's the series of steps that your sales team takes to close a deal, from initial contact to closing. Term 13, value-based selling. Gong is a proponent of value-based selling. It's a sales approach where you focus on the unique value your product brings to the customer and how it solves their specific problems. Term 14, closing ratio. HubSpot tracks its closing ratio. It's the percentage of leads or prospects that turn into actual customers, indicating the effectiveness of your sales process. Term 15, sales forecast. Salesforce relies on sales forecasting. It's the process of estimating future sales performance, helping companies make informed business decisions. Term 16, sales KPIs, or key performance indicators. LinkedIn understands the importance of KPIs. These are the metrics used to measure the success and effectiveness of your sales strategies. Now, as we venture deeper into the world of sales terminology, remember that mastering these terms is your passport to success. Term 17, Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. Zoho CRM is an example of CRM in action. It's a technology for managing all your company's relationships and interactions with customers and potential customers. Term 18, Sales Enablement. SalesLoft embraces sales enablement. It's a strategic approach that provides sales teams with the resources, the content, and the information needed to sell more effectively. And there you have it, 18 essential sales terms that you need to know. These terms are not just words, they are the keys to unlocking your potential as a sales professional. Supercharge your outreach and 10 times your leads and meetings with Success.ai. Dive into a 700 million plus B2B lead goldmine featuring unlimited warm-up, AI-powered email writing, and 700 million plus verified leads. Start for free and experience the revolution in cold email marketing. No credit card needed. Seize your 14-day free trial now.